Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain you some real-time problems which we will face while we are doing some unique functions. So this is a database where we have to do some analysis. Before that, we have to extract some unique values from this. Okay, we are not going to do any analysis using this data. Just I'm showing you how to extract the unique values. If they are in multiple columns, like if they are not in a straight columns means if they are not arranged in the proper way. So if you see here, our requirement is like we need status, fulfillment, and the ship service level. These two things we have to convert it into unique, and in that also we require the ship service level in first column, and the status, the fulfillment will be in the second column, the status will be in the third column. So I see many people, what they will do is they will just take these three columns, this copy, go into a new Excel, and they will do something like this. Okay, so from this we can use unique function. Okay, and they will hit enter. So now it will give some unique values from this data. Okay, so this is how people do, but we have another solution for this. I mean, we have an alternative way for this. We just no need to do all these things stuff. So using a single formula, we can do it. Like, we will see how it is. So first of all, we will go choose columns. Okay, in choose columns, it is asking for array. So we will take array till the which one? We need status, fulfillment, and the service. Okay, these four things we have taken, right? So in this, which column we require first? The first one will be our fourth column. Next one will be the fulfillment, which is second column. The next one will be the third column. Okay, we'll press enter. Now if you see the same thing, just expand it. Now the Excel also hanging like the data is heavy. We will fix it. We'll fix that one also, that issue also. Now if you see the standard, merchant, and cancel, standard, merchant, and cancel, all these things we have got in a sequence way, and now we will use unique function. Okay, so whatever the output we have got here, the same output we have got here also. We will see whether we got the same output or not. It's 3 until here. Okay, there are no faults in this. Now we will fix one thing, which is the slowness. So why it is become slow means we have taken complete column here. So what we can do is we just need to edit this formula and just keep a dot here. When you keep dot here and hit enter, these zeros will get disappeared. See, zeros got disappeared, and if you add some data at the bottom, then it will automatically get added to this data. Okay, so this is how we can optimize the formula. And this one also, it will be slow because it is not optimized. Just will keep one dot here and enter. So now this also got optimized. Now if you see, the Excel is free, we don't have any slowness issue, and also the formula is optimized, and we have got the way with how we want. Okay, now you don't need to take the cells out and arrange it in a way you want, and do some unique function in that. So this is not required. You can just go with this one. First you need to do the choose columns, then after that you can do the unique, or else you can do unique and you can do the choose columns. Whatever it is, whatever you feel good, you can do that.